Good day. I'm Alexander, and I'm glad to present you with one of the most comprehensive and user-friendly business intelligence tools. It's Zoho Analytics. This will be an excellent opportunity for you to start the journey to the world of data. By the time you finish this course, you will be able to sign into Zoho Analytics in two different ways, import your data and schedule data for automatic uploading, blend your data from different sources by union and join functions, understand the basics of data model and SQL language, build for types of reports and complicated dashboards, use filters and formatting and visual representation setup for your reports and dashboard. And what is more interesting, Zoho Analytics enables you to produce exciting insights of your data by means of one-click action using the artificial intelligence. I believe the 25 years of experience in IT industry and more than 5 years of Zoho Analytics setup and implementation for dozens of different sectors allow me to call myself an expert in this field. And my goal here is to provide you with the most quality lessons of Zoho Analytics I can deliver considering my continuous practice in this field. Let us do analytics together, learn more, speed up your business with your newly achieved knowledge. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.